Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we're welcoming for the very first time in the Singapore Airshow 2022. This is the Indian Air Force Tejas, and handing over to commentator, squadron leader Vivek.
Namaste Singapore! Wishing you all a very good afternoon. I'm Squadron Leader Vivek Nalge from the Indian Air Force, and I'll take you through an aerial ballet performed by the pride of India, the light combat aircraft Tejas. Group Captain Manish Tolani, or Tolly as we lovingly call him, will get your feet tapping, pulse racing and mind reeling. So ladies and gentlemen, look to your right, presenting to you for the first time at Singapore Airshow, light combat aircraft Tejas. Tolly will be carrying out a hesitation route, and there she goes. Now pulls up for the vertical switchback to quickly turn around for an engagement. Watching as it rolls off, and there goes the heat seekers off the rails. He'll now turn hard left with max rate for a quick burst of the 23 gun. And the threat ceases to exist. Continue to look out as Tolly now positions for the signature maneuver, the red-eye turn. In this maneuver, the aircraft and the pilot are pushed to the other end of the flight envelope. The aircraft is subject to negative 3.5 G. There she goes, banking right and turning left. Tejas in English means radiance. This machine is the lightest, meanest, and most potent among its contemporaries anywhere in the world. Light it may be, but it packs a heavy punch when it comes to combat. She glides like a butterfly, but stings like a bee. Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead as Tolly positions for an aerial salute to the wonderful people of Singapore. There she goes, pulling up into the sky, flaunting the Delta platform. With this, I would say, Majula Singapura. Continue looking out as she comes down for the Formula One turn, tighter than Michael Schumacher in his Ferrari. For all the Formula One enthusiasts out there, watch as he turns effortlessly in just a few hundred meters. Now positions for the slow march, which is dedicated to the frontline health workers all across the globe who have been battling the COVID-19 pandemic for the past 3 years. Look left as Tolly starts knocking off some knots and effortlessly glide past you at a staggering speed of 120 knots. Tolly has now engaged the burners of the beast behind the seat and watch him zoom into the sky. The aircraft and the crew performing for you today are from the number 18 and number 45 Squadron of the Indian Air Force. This is Windy signing off. Sarima Kasi.